Jason, the Chief Operating Officer here at Versatech Pest Management. And well, it's December 2023. And this message is for all of our regular clients out there. First and foremost, I always like to say each month, thank you so much for having us be a part of either your commercial, business, or home. I want to start off this message this month by saying we're here to not only provide you with superior pest management service, but also to build a relationship. I want to make sure that we're building a relationship for two reasons. One, to build our trust and to provide you with exceptional services. Also, so we get to know you, your location, such as your family members, your pets. In a commercial setting, we want to get to know your staff. That opens up that line of communication, and that helps our services be better. We can better know your location to provide you with better ongoing regular services to hopefully excel your expectations. To make this process smoother, we do need your attention at times. Whether we ring your doorbell at home, whether we send you emails or any other types of communications, we do sometimes need your brief attention in order to help develop that process. And sometimes we just like to say hi. It also helps you to get to know your regular service tech. We want that regular service tech to be your first point of communication. Developing that relationship is crucial, again, to providing you with exceptional personal service. But it is a two-way street. Okay, so if we come up and ring your doorbell and you're available, hey, come say hi to us. If we send you an email or a call, please respond in a timely manner so that we can get things done to exceed the expectations that you have. Or please feel free to let us know how you would like your services to run, how you would like to be contacted. Some of our clients just want us to come and do the service, on a regular basis. They just want to see that service report and that's it. Other customers want to tell us how and guide us through their service. They want to show us different areas. Either way, we want to be a part of that. But you have to let us know. And we're here with that open communication line. You can contact your regular service tech, call our office directly. You can email us through our website or any numbers that you may have for us. Please feel free to give us a call anytime and we will get back to you. Winter services are here because we're getting into solid winter time, December, January, February, and March. Wet weather does not truly affect our services too much. What you can expect is, as long as it's not heavy rain, we can do a basic treatment. But what you can expect is for us to reduce the amount of chemical spraying that we're doing around your property for a few reasons. Insects and spiders are not nearly as active in the wintertime, and we want to focus more on rodent control, as well as focus on treatments around the areas you're still going to be using outside, such as maybe covered patios, storage areas, garage interior areas, covered porches, areas like that. We also want to try to get your interior services done if that's something that you'd like. Now is a great time for us to do an interior treatment during your regular service. We're also focusing more on our rodent control services. So we're maybe fixing some stations, adding equipment. We're getting a lot of calls now for rodents starting to come into areas like garages, storage sheds, or even more rodents appearing around the exterior of your home. And we want to be sure we can address that. Also, something to note, cars or vehicles, motorhomes, boats that may be not being used as much or as often and are out in your driveway. Rats love to get in those areas. So a good way is at least once a week, start up that engine, move that car, put the muffs on the end of the motor and fire up that boat, or do an inspection in the engine cavities. Motorhome, same thing. Take a look inside, make sure you're not seeing any droppings, urine marks, damaged food, chewed on items. And again, if you can move a vehicle at least once a week, do so. Drive it around the block or take it for some errands. That's a great way to prevent rodents from wanting to get into or harboring inside of a vehicle. As we get into the holiday season, we've already been through Thanksgiving. Christmas and New Year's is coming up. Personally, I want to say thank you for a great year. Thank you for being a great client. And I wish you and yours a happy holiday season.